Welcome to this comprehensive guide on cryptocurrency portfolio tracking. As the crypto market continues to evolve, managing your digital investments effectively has become more important than ever. In this tutorial, we'll explore the essential tools and applications that can help you track your cryptocurrency investments with precision and confidence. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or looking to optimize your current tracking methods, this guide will provide you with the knowledge you need to take control of your crypto portfolio. Understanding why portfolio tracking matters is the first step to better investment management. When you track your portfolio, you gain real-time performance monitoring across all your exchanges and wallets in one unified view. This means you can see exactly how your investments are performing at any given moment. Portfolio tracking also provides accurate profit and loss calculations, which are essential for tax reporting purposes. Instead of manually checking multiple exchanges and wallets, you get a consolidated view of all your holdings in one place, saving you time and reducing errors. Additionally, many tracking tools offer automated portfolio rebalancing alerts, helping you maintain your desired asset allocation and investment strategy without constant manual oversight. When choosing a portfolio tracking tool, certain key features can make a significant difference in your experience. First, look for exchange integration capabilities. The best tools connect directly with major exchanges and wallets through API connections, automatically syncing your transactions and holdings. Advanced analytics are equally important. Quality trackers provide detailed charts, performance metrics, and historical data that help you understand trends and make informed decisions. Price alerts are another essential feature, allowing you to set customizable notifications for specific price movements and targets, so you never miss important market changes. Finally, multi-platform support ensures you can access your portfolio data whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, with seamless synchronization across all devices. Let's explore some of the most popular portfolio tracking tools available today. CoinGecko is a highly regarded option that offers free portfolio tracking with extensive data on thousands of coins and tokens. It provides price alerts, comprehensive market analytics, and works seamlessly across both mobile and web platforms. CoinMarketCap, another industry leader, is known for its comprehensive market data and cryptocurrency rankings. Beyond basic tracking, it offers watchlist functionality, portfolio management tools, and includes a built-in news feed along with educational resources. Both platforms are excellent starting points for beginners due to their user-friendly interfaces and the wealth of information they provide at no cost. Blockfolio, now known as FTX app, takes a mobile-first approach with a clean, intuitive interface that makes tracking on the go incredibly easy. It features a unique signal feature that delivers real-time crypto news and updates directly from project teams. With support for over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, Blockfolio ensures you can track even the most obscure tokens in your portfolio. Delta is another powerful option that stands out for its automatic exchange syncing capabilities through secure API connections. It offers advanced charting tools and detailed analytics that help you dive deep into your portfolio's performance. Delta is available on both desktop and mobile platforms, making it a versatile choice for investors who want comprehensive tracking across multiple devices. CoinStats has emerged as a comprehensive solution, particularly strong in decentralized finance portfolio tracking and yield farming monitoring. It includes built-in tax reporting features and export functionality, which simplifies the often complex process of preparing your crypto taxes. CoinStats can sync in real time with over 300 exchanges, providing an incredibly unified view of your holdings. For privacy-conscious investors, Rotki offers a unique proposition as an open-source, privacy-focused solution. Unlike cloud-based alternatives, Rotki stores all your data locally on your own device, giving you complete control and eliminating third-party data storage concerns. It provides comprehensive tracking for both decentralized finance and centralized finance activities, making it ideal for users who prioritize privacy and data ownership above all else. Security and privacy are paramount when managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. When connecting tracking apps to exchanges, always use read-only API permissions. This means the tracking tool can view your holdings and transactions, but cannot execute withdrawals or trades on your behalf. Never grant withdrawal rights to any tracking application. Consider where your data is stored. Choose tools with encrypted storage, and if privacy is a top concern, consider self-hosted options that keep all data on your local devices. Enable two-factor authentication on your tracking apps to add an extra layer of security, protecting your portfolio data from unauthorized access. Finally, be aware of privacy concerns with cloud-based trackers. These services store information about your holdings on their servers, so always review their privacy policies carefully to understand how your data is handled and protected. To maximize the benefits of portfolio tracking, follow these essential best practices. First, commit to regular updates by syncing your portfolio daily and recording all transactions manually when automatic syncing isn't available. This ensures your data remains accurate and up-to-date. Second, maintain multiple backups of your portfolio data. Export and save your transaction history and holdings information regularly to prevent data loss if something goes wrong with the tracking service. Third, use tracking tools with tax export features to simplify your year-end reporting. This can save you significant time and hassle when tax season arrives. Finally, make it a habit to review your portfolio performance on a weekly basis. Analyze trends, examine performance metrics, and use these insights to make informed investment decisions. Consistent monitoring and analysis are key to long-term success in cryptocurrency investing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.